welcome to the TRX Exchange. Today I'm going to show the market lane recently launched on the TRX Exchange. So let's go to the market lane, the colorful street arts with the cafes and restaurants. See, this is the way to the market lane and then the left side of the TRX. Still lots of shops going to come. Just I show the few shops it comes. See that they put the arrows here. It's really nice actually. See, way to the market lane. So from here it starts Super Matcha, and here is the market lane street. I hope you got it. Just this is a small video. They're promoting well through the Instagram. See the Arest Cafe. Try it here once. The rate is moderate as usual, but it's good. I have not yet tried. I read the review. So this is the first shop of the market lane. That is the play 2-3 lane 2-3 actually. Here it is closed. Later it will be open maybe. There is the Behidi. It's a restaurant. Open outside areas also, inside also you can have. It's the pizza, like western food type of foods. So nice actually. And it's on the way. The new shop is coming actually here. Okay. So here is the another entrance. Here is the next shops of the market lane. See, the opposites are so nice, colorful. Chulo something here. Like drinks and hot drinks, hot beer. There is a heavy crowd actually. I think this is a taste. I think the people like the taste is full actually. Snack is this is a dessert shop. So looks so nice actually. Minimal color. It looks so catchy. So from here we joined with the food exchange, the food court. Already I show. Again I will show. See here, if you go inside, you can see the food exchange, the food court area. Yeah. See. Okay, let's go out and complete the street full. Yeah. Still lots of shops have to come, I think. Yeah. Gentle monster some. Let's go. Representing the cultures of the people, so that's what they're reflecting in the banners. Yes, it's almost the end. Just the momo shops. There is also another entrance. Tea rock, tea shop it is. Where is the Chinese restaurant? They're promoting nicely for their helps to grown up other shop also. There is the first shop, Ignition, it's a restaurant. Now we came back to the another side, to the TRX. Actually, this lane is for a metro station. You can go through the straight. This is the metro station actually. You can go through the mall also inside through the underground. So here is the end of the mall. I hope you enjoy the few minutes of this video. So let's see let me go inside the pyramid and come back. Let's see what it is be there. So it's almost 6:30. So climate becomes a calm. That's good thing. So here is the city park actually. The bus, public transport, everyone is coming. You can choose your own public transport. Always the best is the train is the best public transport ever. I think there is a end. I think the place looks good actually. Especially the structure of the pyramid. Nobody is there actually. I think this is for just an art type of exhibition. Let's check it the information. City Park is there. Yeah, you can go through the city park through this area I think. So here there's a canvas, there's a collection. Just their collections they kept for a demo, like an art exhibition. This is way to the city park. Come, let's check it. So greenery here. Yes, it's that route also we can come to the park actually. today had a wonderful walking tour. The single stretch I went so many, yes, to the rooftop actually. This is the another way to come out, or you can go. So lots of way they set. Golden hour it is. So this time you take a camera to capture the golden moment frame. See, this time you take a photograph with a beautiful color tone. Nice actually. So once again, welcome to the rooftop garden. So police station, I think, yeah. This is the Kenny Hills Cafe at the rooftop and garden view. I hope you like this video. It looks so vibrant and colorful on this sunset time. See. So we can, if you want to go down, you can go through anyway, through Apple Store also, or this side we can go. Okay. Second Hills. So Westerners usually loves this type of bakery. Malaysia's bakery was so tasty, delicious. People loves it. This is goat tarbush. Already I tried it 2 times on the Bukit Bintang area. So good actually, Middle Eastern food. So a huge quantity and good quality. This is a Oram Theatre. Most luxurious and expensive cinema ever in Malaysia. So another side of the garden area. Come this time we can take the steps. Let's relax sometimes. So already I got the heavy tired here. I hope you enjoy the colorful evening of my video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for a huge support from you guys. Don't ask anything, you give me so much love. Thanks a lot. So thanks for watching.